Hey guys, Shungdi here. We are now at the Blackmagic booth. This is the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K, and this is an interesting small camera from them. And it's not really that pocketable, but I have to say they could have just named it like an Ursa Micro, and it looks quite like an Ursa from the front, especially with the vents. And yeah, this is going to be probably the camera of the year of 2018. It's coming out later this year. It should be around September when they are shipping it out. To sum up a little bit of the improvements over the previous version, now you have the LPE6 battery for the longer battery life, a touchscreen, and also more buttons on the body so you can quickly access and also change the exposure. You also now have a dedicated ISO button, shutter button, and also a white balance button. Also there is a photo button, however most people won't be buying this camera for its photo capabilities. It kept the Micro Four Thirds mount, however the sensor size has been increased to Micro Four Thirds. It has a similar sensor as the GH5s with also the high ISO capabilities. Something else that I found quite interesting, there's an off frame rate setting. The lowest you can set it to is 12 frames per second, and you can also use a slow shutter angles to get a slow shutter film effect. Currently you can choose between the cinema DNG and also compressed DNG and all the different ProRes profiles. However, currently it does not support ProRes RAW yet. Hopefully we'll see that in a future firmware. It has like a lot of crazy features. So it has also a USB-C where you can connect a SSD drive to this. So this has a major big touchscreen on the back. This is still a prototype, so not quite sure if there's any changes going to happen, but yeah, this has like also the proper HDMI. It has like tons of features. It uses the Canon LPE6 battery, so if you are coming from a 5D or any bigger Canon cameras, you can use your battery still in this. And also quite a lot of accessories nowadays, or like monitors and also sliders, uses the same battery, so you can actually have like quite a lot of the LPE6 batteries. I am going to look forward to when they are coming out with this camera. I'll definitely purchase one and see how this works with it in the field. So yeah, check out the Blackmagic BMDtuts 4K at Blackmagic.